Making carnitas, smoked carnitas on the pit barrel cooker coming up. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you get all the alerts on what we're doing here, all right? So today we're gonna do smoked carnitas on the pit barrel cooker, all right? So I got me a bone-in pork butt. I put my own special seasoning on it, which I'll leave below. And we have it smoking on the pit barrel. So once we got it going, we're gonna get it to about 145 temperature internal, and then we're gonna take it out and put it in a pan, and then we're gonna braise it with some orange juice, some herbs, some garlic, whatever, all right? We'll put it back on there and just let it finish out until it gets to be about 195, 200, all right? We'll pull it apart, make it shredded up, and then we're gonna put it on the Blackstone and just crisp it up with some oil, all right? Get little crispy bits in there, and we'll make some tacos out of it, all right? If you don't have a Blackstone, you can do it in a skillet on the stove, or you can do it in the oven, just under broil in a pan, all right? It's real easy to do. I'm just using my Blackstone because it's already outside, and we can just finish it up real quick, okay? All right, I'm gonna bring you over here, show you how we prepped the actual pork butt, and then we'll get you outside, we'll set it up, and ready to go. All right, come on back.
Can you come a little closer? Here comes the breath before we get a little bit closer. Here comes the rush before we touch. Come a little closer. The doors are open, the wind is really blowing. The night sky is changing overhead. Getting underneath me. All I dream of lately is how to get you underneath me. Here comes the heat before we meet. A little bit closer. Here comes the spark before the dark. Come a little closer.
All right, guys, we pulled this pork shoulder off the pit barrel. So we're going to start off by squeezing a little OJ in it. We got some fresh nibble oranges over here. Just squeeze the juice. All right, so just gonna squeeze it in there, and I'm just gonna put them in the bottom. All right, all right. Gonna throw a couple jalapenos in there. Don't mind if the seeds are in there. This is rough and rugged and rustic. Just gonna braise in there real nice. I'm gonna take some of this garlic. It's already minced up. Just spread it around. You can use whole cloves of garlic. I just have these and I didn't have any whole cloves. So it's gonna braise real nice. Hold this off the pit barrel at 165 degrees. So now we're gonna braise it for another, until it gets to about 195, 200, okay? For the last little bit to get the braising liquid over the top, I'm gonna put a little chicken stock in there. All right. You want to get it as high as you can, but you don't want it overflowing. Okay. All right. So that's about 2 or 3 cups. We're gonna get this wrapped up with some heavy-duty foil. Might double wrap it just to be safe. Get it back on the pit barrel. Let it go another couple hours until we get to 195, 200. All right. All right, guys. We're gonna get this pork butt off of here. Start working on our carnitas. All right, got our insulated gloves on. Whew, it's a little warm. Let's check the temp, just to make sure. All right, let's check this out. We're hoping for about 190, 195. We get to 200, I'm feeling good. All right, look at that. We're well over. Turn that off. All right, so on the Blackstone here, we're going to use a little oil, and we're gonna fry this stuff up. We're gonna shred it up in the juice here, and then fry it up. Look at that. Oh, man, you know there's just flavor for days in there. Let's see how if this bone comes out clean. Looks clean to me. What do you think? Whew. All right, guys, we're gonna shred this up a bit, make a mess. It's all right. All right, guys, we got our Blackstone going right now. Sorry, it's a little dark outside, but we got enough light to do this and get a bunch of oil on here. All right, I'm gonna work it around. Like I said before we started, you can use your skillet on the stove. You can use the oven as a broiler, okay? But we're gonna crisp up this pork, this gorgeous pork right here. You guys can see that. You got some wonderful smoke greens in there, great bark. So now we're just gonna crisp it up. All right. That oil is gonna help work it in a little bit. Guys, I tried this. The 2 jalapenos that I put on this thing, whoa, they put in some work. This is a little spice going on right here, which is okay. But you can see the beautiful smoke ring. Oh man, the bark on there is just outstanding. Look at the colors. It's beautiful, beautiful. And I just shredded this up with a couple forks. I didn't use any kind of bear claw type things. Just to shred it up with forks. All right, we're gonna keep letting this crisp up. Come on. All right, guys. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about to get that crispity crunchy. Look at that. It's building that nice crust on there. And once we get this kind of crusted up, we're gonna go ahead and put a couple of tortillas on here. Get ready for some tacos. This was a long cook, but it looks like it's well worth it. All right, guys, we're back. This was a long one. I don't mind telling you that. It took, we started at 1:30 and it's 7:30 right now, 7:45. So it's all right. There was a little bit of time in there where I had to kind of shoot the thumbnail and do my thing, but it took a minute, don't get me wrong, but this thing is really good. I've tried just the pork itself, so I'm gonna make myself a little taco real quick. Get a little onions in here. Just for a quick little bite. Oops, dropped it. Little cilantro. All right, cheers. You know that's good right there. It's spicy, and you got a little citrus in there too. And of course, you got tons and tons of smoke from that pit barrel. All right. It's a good way of doing carnitas. You should try it too. Comment below if you think you try this. Hit me up on all the social media if you do try this. Tag me any pictures. I want to see what you guys can do with your pit barrel. All right. That's it, guys. I'm gonna finish the game. Call it a night. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.